Politics erupts over Tirupati Temple Board's resolution to invest its massive wealth into schemes run by the Andhra government. After massive hue and cry, the temple has now issued a clarification. Let's take a listen to this report.
One of the richest temples in the country finds itself in grips of a brewing political controversy. This after Tirumala Tirupati Temple's Trust Board, which handles temple's massive wealth, passed a resolution to shift existing and future deposits to Jagan government as debt or investment in schemes run by it. The richest Hindu temple of the world traditionally deposits its wealth in nationalized banks. In December, 5,000 crore rupees of temple deposits are maturing. The move instantly drew flack from the BJP, which called it a bid by Jagan government to corner temple riches with the help of Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam Board.
It is unfortunate. We are strongly condemning this kind of approach. This government is thinking Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam as a revenue generating source rather than the spiritual holy place of Hindu devotees.
Opposition TDP too strongly opposed the move, calling it unacceptable.
This clearly shows that the Jagan Mohan Reddy's government is stealing the money belonging to Lord Balaji, is trying to steal the money which has come through donations from the devotees. So that the Telugu Desam party strongly objects to this. We demand that they cancel this resolution.
After receiving flack, the Tirupati board issued a clarification saying with a falling interest rate in a pandemic-hit economy, investments into central government or state government securities were considered. With inputs from Ashish Pandey in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.